In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to journal on TradingView. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your trading journal inside the platform and how to use it to review, filter, and analyze your past trades with confidence. To start, open TradingView and log into your account. You can do this in your browser or in the desktop app. The process is the same. Make sure you have a chart open so you can access the tools we're about to use. If you've been trading through TradingView, your activity will be tied to your account and ready to review. Look to the bottom of the chart for the trading panel. If you don't see it right away, hover near the bottom edge of the window and drag the panel upward, or click the small handle to expand it. This panel is where TradingView organizes broker connections, orders, and account-related features. Inside that panel, find and click the Trading Journal tab. It sits alongside other tabs like Positions and Orders, but the journal is specifically designed for post-trade review. Once you open it, you'll see a list of trades you've placed via TradingView. This includes essential details such as the instrument, direction, quantity, entry and exit prices, timestamps, and realized profit or loss. You may also see the time you held the trade, which is helpful for evaluating whether your holding periods match your strategy. Keep in mind, the journal reflects trades executed through TradingView. Activity placed entirely outside of TradingView won't appear here automatically. From here, you can review, filter, and analyze your past trades right inside the journal. Use the available filters to narrow by symbol, side, or time range so you can focus on a particular strategy, market, or period. Sorting by columns lets you quickly surface your largest winners and toughest losers. This makes it easier to spot patterns, like which symbols you trade best, what time of day tends to work for you, or whether shorter or longer holds align with your edge. As you scan through results, look for consistency. Are your average wins larger than your average losses? Do certain conditions or instruments repeatedly lead to better outcomes? Are there recurring mistakes you can correct, such as entries that are too early, exits that are too late, or trades taken outside your plan? Small insights here compound into big improvements over time. Build a routine around this. After each session or at the end of the week, open the trading journal, filter to the period you care about, and walk through your trades. A consistent review habit turns your history into feedback you can act on. And that's it. Open TradingView, head to the trading panel, click the trading journal, and use it to learn from every trade.